Hello, today I will help you how to solve this programming error 106. Okay, you have an error in your SQL syntax. Okay, you can scroll down, you can see over here and the line 60 in update my cruiser.execute. You can see on the line 60 on the IDE. Okay, go back to IDE. Okay, you can go on the line 60. There is an error here, my cruiser.execute SQL. You can go back to the line 58 SQL query. You can see they have two parameters. Both parameters are string. So if it's string, you must put code here. Okay, both codes. That's it. That's the only solution. Then go back to the website. Okay, next what you're gonna do, you refresh this web page. Okay, after you refresh it, you try it again. You put anything here. Okay, update the name. See, update the name. So there's no more error. That's it.